Hi, everyone. My name is Heather Clark. I have decided to take this elective because I currently work in the field with children and families at risk, as well as doing my current field placement with children and families at risk. I currently work in a treatment unit and work on reunification services with children and their families. And for my directed practice, I'm focusing more on the aspect of when the case goes beyond treatment and may go to a permanency unit, foster care, and stuff like that. When TPR adoption may come into play, guardianship, permanent guardianship. Um, so from this class, I really hope to learn some new skills, some new information that maybe I haven't obtained yet in this field. I've only been in the field a couple of years. I do have some experience in mental health and substance abuse field, which kind of helps and comes into play when working with families at risk. So I really hope to learn some new skills to be able to apply to my job and, to finish out directed practice as well. One thing about child abuse that I really think um, it's a really hard topic to speak about. Before I started in the field, I always thought, why is DFS taking their kids, or I'm sorry, Child Protective Services, the state I work in calls it DFS. Um, like I didn't truly understand it. However, now that I actually work and I see intricate details of cases and I work with these families, it's somewhat understandable of why families have to work to have unsupervised visits with their children, or their children, may have come into the custody of the state and are placed in foster care. And that was a tough pill to swallow at first, but at the same time, um, a lot of times it's what's in the best interest of the child. And we do our best to reunify families. We want to keep them together, but sometimes that is not always the safest option for a child. And that was really hard to swallow in reference to working, with child abuse, because everybody wants to keep, wants their families together. And it's not always the best option. So I wish everybody luck, and I look forward to working with you.